Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. So Maxis has announced that they are the first telco here in Malaysia to offer 5G international roaming in 3 countries, which includes Indonesia, Thailand and also Singapore. And also, if you own an AirPods Pro, you'll be happy to know that Apple has extended their free AirPods Pro replacement program for units with sound issues. All of this and more on today's video. As announced by Communications and Multimedia Tan Sri Anwar Musa last month, telcos in Malaysia will be offering the Pakej Keluarga Malaysia Malaysia. This program is actually aimed to provide affordable internet for daily usage and also online learning, and youth can enjoy 20 gigs of data valid for 3 months for 30 ringgit only. This initiative will run for a period of 6 months until the 15th of April 2022. According to the Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission, the plan is open for youth and students, and it also comes with unlimited basic internet. On top of that, users are still able to redeem the free 1 gig daily data for productivity use, which amounts to an additional 30 gigs of data each month. On top of that, families can also get a brand new 4G LTE phone with voice over LTE support for free under the Pakej Keluarga Malaysia. The free devices are offered on contract with a commitment as low as 40 ringgit per month. It will be tied to either a 12 months or 24 months contract duration. Users that redeem the devices are also eligible to redeem the free 1 gig of daily data for productivity use. Celcom has also revealed its Pakej Keluarga Malaysia offering via Xpax Prepaid. The plan claims to come with 110 gigs of high-speed internet valid for 90 days at 30 ringgit. Take note that the 110 gig is a combination of 20 gig of high-speed data for usage and 90 days of free 1 gig of daily data that can't be used for online gaming, streaming, video and music streaming. After hitting your quota, your internet speeds will be throttled to 64 kilobits per second. Maxis has announced that they are the first telco here in Malaysia to offer 5G roaming in 3 countries, which includes Indonesia, Singapore and also Thailand. According to the telco, Maxis customers can roam internationally on 5G networks at the same charge as 4G data roaming. The 5G roaming service is available to Maxis and also Hotlink prepaid and postpaid users, and it will be activated automatically with 5G enabled devices. Before enabling data roaming, users can purchase their preferred plan via the Maxis and Hotlink app. Maxis currently offers 3 unlimited 5G roaming data plans for the 3 supported countries. The 1-day unlimited data pass costs 29 ringgit a day, while the 7 days ASEAN Plus unlimited data pass costs 49 ringgit per week. If you're traveling long term, there's a longer 30-day World Unlimited Data Pass at 99 ringgit. Take note that Maxis has a fair use policy for its roaming plans. According to the FAQ, the fair usage is 2 gigs of high-speed data daily, and users can enjoy unlimited quota at a reduced speed of 1 megabits per second, which is still pretty decent. Once you've hit your limit, there is no additional charge. For Hotlink postpaid and prepaid, they are currently offering a 1 gig data roam pass at 10 ringgit a day. There's also an unlimited social pass for roaming that costs 10 ringgit per day or 20 ringgit for 3 days. The 1-day social pass comes with 5 MB of extra data for other users, while the 3-day pass is bundled with 200 MB of data. In Singapore, Maxis has roaming agreements with Singtel and StarHub. However, 5G roaming is only available when you connect to Singtel. For travelers heading to Indonesia, Telkomsel is Maxis' default roaming partner, and it also offers 5G services. In Thailand, Maxis has roaming agreements with AIS or True3 Plus. To enjoy 5G, you must connect to AIS. The 5G international roaming service is available now, and Maxis is aiming to add more countries soon. For more information, you can check out roaming pages for Maxis and also Hotlink. Last year, Apple has announced a replacement program for AirPods Pro owners who are having cracking sound issues. Initially, the free AirPods Pro replacement is offered for a period of 2 years after the first retail sale, and now Apple has extended the program with an additional year. The AirPods Pro service program for sound issues is only applicable for units that were manufactured before October 2020, and users in Malaysia are also eligible. According to Apple, the worldwide Apple program does not extend the standard warranty, but the replacement due to the sound issues will now cover affected units for 3 years after the first retail sale. Some of the issues including crackling or static sounds that increase in loud environments, with exercise or while talking on the phone. Affected units may also have issues with active noise cancellation or experience a sudden loss of bass or increased background sounds. If your AirPods Pro has this kind of issues and it is also manufactured before October 2020, you can actually request for a replacement at your nearest Apple authorized centers. It is also recommended that you make an appointment on Apple's support page. And depending on your unit's condition, the service center may actually replace either left, right, or both of your AirPods. But take note that the issue doesn't affect the charging case, so it won't be replaced under the program. The Sarawak state government has updated their SOPs for incoming visitors into the state, which will be taking effect starting today, which is on the 18th of October 2021. Some requirements that were introduced last week have been lifted for fully vaccinated individuals, including exemption for Enter Sarawak applications for Sarawakians. According to the latest SOP, fully vaccinated individuals are no longer required to produce a negative COVID-19 test result before entering the state. However, they are still required to provide proof of fully vaccination and have a low risk or casual contact with no symptom status on their MySejahtera app before boarding their flight or boat. All visitors must declare their health status via the e-health declaration form. As announced earlier, all travellers must submit an Enter Sarawak application. Effective 18th of October, this requirement will be exempted for Sarawakians. Travellers who are non-Sarawakians are still required to submit an application except for federal officers working in Sarawak, private sector employees, non-Sarawakians with Sarawakian spouse, Sarawakians who are born outside of Sarawak, and Sarawak MM2H visa holders. Alright, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!